friends, I'm Dofu. Ted is coming. Let's make a 7-day plan together. In 7 days, we can get ready for a happy Ted. Day 1, cleaning. We sweep, mop, and tidy the house. Day 2, shopping. We buy food and new clothes. Day 3, food. We cook and enjoy traditional dishes. Day 4, decorating. We decorate with flowers and lights. Day 5, clothes. We wear clean and new clothes. Day 6, plan. We visit family and prepare gifts. Day 7, wishes. We share love and good wishes. With a good plan, Ted becomes wonderful. Good planning helps us enjoy time with family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can learn more fun English together. See you soon.